Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a gift bag out of wrapping paper. Firstly, measure the width of your gift to determine how much paper you'll need. Fold the wrapping paper in half and seal the seam with tape. Fold up the bottom end to create the base of your bag. Then open the bottom fold to reveal the inside of the paper. Fold the left and right edges inward to form triangles, and fold the top and bottom edges inward, overlapping slightly, and seal with tape. Now flip the bag upright and gently open it, then place your gift inside and fold the top of the bag down to close it. Use a hole punch to make 2 holes at the top of the folded bag, and thread a ribbon through the holes and tie it to a bow, secure the gift. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Merry Christmas!